Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Recently we just passed the 1000 subscriber milestone in YouTube, and as of now we have something like 1.3 thousand subscribers. So thank you for all your great support. Okay, now let's come back to the topic. So in this video I'll show you how to where to get the best free high quality screen recorder for YouTube, etc. It's the one I'm using for my YouTube videos and it's really good at recording. So let's start with how to download. First click the link in description and wait for the link to load. Now it will take you to the site and click the download button. I don't know if it's in zip format or not. If it's in zip format, you have to extract to a location and then follow the usual installation method and finally click finish. I've already downloaded the file and installed it, so let's open it and look what's in there. First, let's check the features of this screen recorder. The main thing about this particular recorder is that it can record the screen and record your face through the webcam at the same time. You know, for like gaming videos where you need your face along with the video. So it's really a great thing to consider for gamers. Actually, it comes with all the features you can think of, like adding text, drawing, add the tiny yellow circle thing around the cursor, and even a screenshot too. When it comes to recording, you can either choose to record full screen, a custom bar, area automatic detection, and even around the mouse too, which is also useful. Around the mouse option gives more options with the different screen ratios and resolutions too. Screenshot also gives the same option as the screen recorder. Okay, now let's start recording and see what options are available there. Here you get the options to record, pause and stop, but I recommend you to use the shortcut keys instead. Then we have an option for a timer and a switch option, which is switches from full screen to the custom area we've selected. Then again we get an option to choose the custom area, and then we get the most useful option of them to draw and add text, etc. Now we have the zoom in and zoom out option, and then you get the option to enable and disable things like webcam, speaker and microphone. But instead using these options from here, I again recommend you to use the shortcut keys to make it look more natural and cool. So that's it, an awesome software for free. And follow me on Instagram. You can text me anytime and I will reply on Instagram and here in the comment section too. So see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.